such a day, such a mighty fine day. Yeah. You gotta subscribe, you gotta ring the bell. Oh my gosh. Well, hello again. It's so good to see you. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're new here, my name is Marquita, and I do these exercises every day, 5 days a week. Oh my gosh. Yes. And we have a groove happening. There it is. This is our groove. Okay. The exercise we're going to do is with these words. And I'm doing it in the mix. I'm pushing the falsetto or head voice, adding chest voice in. If that's what you are not used to doing, then go ahead and do the head voice with it. As you go down, don't be changing all of a sudden if you're doing head voice to a big chest voice. Keep it nice and smooth. Be as high as you can go, okay? I'm going to take it down. I'm going to stop, take a breather, and then we're going to go back up again. Okay. Remember, it is again and again and again and again. Support. Keep the roof of the mouth up. Keep the body up. I'm not going to say very much in this exercise because it's keeping me in time. So I can't slow down and get fast and, tell you these things. And so I have to keep with the tempo. So I'm telling them now. Here we go. Here we go, darling. 1, 2, 3. Again and again and again and again. Again and again and again remember, as you descend, it's not going to be as hard because you're starting in that type of a voice. But now as you go higher, it's more of a challenge because now you're going to come into that transition and you need to stay nice and bright. Okay, and if I can say the word and play, I will tell you bright. Okay? Remember, keep that body up. Take nice big breaths. Support. Come on down, come on out right here. We're going to start right here. Remember, you're going to go up. If I don't play the first note, you need to sing it. 1, 2, 3. Again and again and again and again. Mouth open. Again and again and again and again. rhythm, but it's a lot harder because I can't slow down and look at you and start telling you, no, take a breath, and I gotta keep it in time. So it's challenging for me. How was it for you? Was it challenging for you to do that? Did you have a great time? Did you like the rhythm? I do, I really do. So as you're doing these exercises, the biggest thing is that you are strengthening your muscles. You're getting yourself ready. And remember, it's any style. Any style that you're going to sing, you can utilize this. So keep doing your exercises, even if you do just a little a day, and warm up. Remember, always do warm up before you sing your songs. Okay, have a wonderful day. Leave a comment. Tell me how you're feeling today, okay? I'm going to see you again tomorrow. At least I hope, cause it's, one more time, such a day, such a mighty fine day, yeah. You gotta subscribe, you gotta ring the bell. Oh my gosh, see ya. Bye, bye, bye.